You work for TriStar Inc. and have just completed this super helpful sales enablement course. Then you click the next button to see the course resources. There seems to be good content here. You know you need some extra materials post-training. Listening, understanding, responding. Yep, this stuff is helpful. But wait a minute. Wow, am I supposed to click and visit all these resources one by one? This is crazy. Oh, but then you see a little handy call out that says, or chat with Sarah. So it dawns on you. So these resources can be queried instead of clicking links manually? You gotta click on this Sarah. The chat avatar seems empty for the second. But there is a little preloader going on over here. Then Sarah pops up. On the left, some few instructions on how to navigate Sarah. Also some subtle hover effect here. Really nice. Here are a few prompt questions to get you started. Feel free to ask anything. These are just meant to give you an idea. You click on Sarah and yep, she's ready to engage. Her brain is a loaded knowledge base, packed with all the course information and resources you need. She's smart and fully designed to do the heavy lifting, pulling content for you on demand. All powered by AI and some pro-designing work in Storyline makes this an engaging delivery. You decide to take her for a spin. Let's just ask her the first question over here. Test her a little bit. What is sales enablement? Then click to send query. She is thinking. Then she will talk back as well as show the textual reply here. Obviously, I'm recording this, so it may look slow and her lip syncing might seem sluggish, but trust me, it works brilliantly in the browser.
Enablement is the strategic, ongoing process of equipping sales teams with the content, guidance, training, and coaching they need to successfully engage buyers. It involves improving the sales process, increasing sales productivity, and enhancing the customer experience by aligning all go-to-market teams.
Great, get her a thumbs up. You could also click the little audio icon to speak directly to Sarah, so let me do that now. What is sales enablement? You can see my question here.
Sales enablement is the strategic, ongoing process of equipping sales teams with the content, guidance, training, and coaching they need to successfully engage buyers.
Good, another thumbs up. Here you can close the chat, restart the conversation, and mute the sound. And that is how this Sarah chatbot works, using a knowledge base you provide it with. And these are just guiding questions. They are not fixed or forced. And this character is a still photo from Storyline, all come to life using the DID app. And this is where DID's AI avatars truly shine, bringing still images to life with natural movement and voice, making learning feel more human. Paired with their API and Storyline, you can trigger lifelike agents exactly when learners need support. Even better, use them to explore vast amounts of content, like a Google search, but trained on your material. Learners can ask, dive deep, and get dynamic, face-to-face answers right inside the course. Though other technologies like Mobile Coach, Clue Labs, Be Human, and others exist, and we've tried several, we believe DID stands out above the rest. It offers better pricing, lifelike animations, excellent lip syncing, and seamless integration with Storyline. We'll be doing a deeper dive into how we design Sarah, so be sure to subscribe to our newsletter at craftuxd.com to get the latest behind-the-scenes techniques to elevate your learning experience designs. Until later, thank you.